Testing of Hyundai HGN12 air circuit breakers. The basic settings will be set by the customer. For testing, we add a 220 volt AC power supply. At first, we trip the air circuit breaker manually. Then we trip the breaker with the help of the UVT. Then we perform a short time delay test and the breaker trips almost instantly. Lastly, we perform a long time delay test and after about 15 seconds the breaker trips . The same process is repeated for the second air circuit breaker . It is now clear that all three air circuit breakers are working successfully and are ready to be delivered to the customer.